Looking for ceiling speakers that deliver powerful, clear sound without breaking the bank? The Pyle 8 ceiling speakers come with a 70-volt transformer and an 8-ohm bypass option, making them versatile enough to work with both commercial systems and regular home audio receivers. Whether you want rich, immersive sound or subtle background music, these speakers handle it all with ease. These speakers feature a frequency response range from 55 Hz to 22 kHz, thanks to a directable 1 titanium dome tweeter. That means you get crisp highs and solid mid-bass performance from a system rated at 300 watts peak power. The 8-ohm impedance ensures compatibility with most home audio setups, delivering impressive sound clarity and depth. Installation is straightforward with 2 mounting options, in-wall or in-ceiling flush mount. The speakers come with convenient terminals for quick, hassle-free wiring during custom installations. Plus, the flush mount design keeps your ceiling looking sleek and clean, with cutout dimensions of 9 3/8 in diameter and 5 3/4 in depth for a perfect fit. What really stands out is the combination of power and responsiveness. These Pyle speakers reproduce sound with clarity across a wide range, making them ideal for home theaters, surround sound systems, or multi-room audio setups. Their robust build also helps extend the life of the product, so you can enjoy consistent performance for years to come. Users across the U.S. praise these speakers for their sound quality and value. One customer replaced older units with these and was impressed by the clear mid-range and true frequencies down to 80 Hz. They fit well into a Dolby Atmos 7.1 system as rear surrounds and are even considered for height speakers due to their excellent performance. The speakers come with a helpful template for cutting ceiling holes, making installation easier even if you need to adjust the size slightly. A simple spray paint touch-up can customize their look, as some users have done to match their existing setup, enhancing both aesthetics and integration. If you want reliable, affordable ceiling speakers that don't compromise on sound quality or flexibility, these Pyle 8 models are worth a look. Their powerful output and easy installation make them a solid choice for upgrading your home audio experience. Try them when you're ready to boost your sound system with speakers designed to deliver clear, dynamic audio and seamless integration. Whether for music, movies, or immersive surround sound, these Pyle ceiling speakers offer what you need without the premium price tag.